Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Ease, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah, your English teacher.
And I'm Alvin. Hello, Sarah.
Hello, Alvin. And hello to all our fantastic listeners in the US, the UK, Canada, Europe, and all around the world. It is a beautiful day to learn English.
It is, but my day is not beautiful, Sarah.
Oh no. What happened this time?
I think my English scared someone away.
Scared someone away? What do you mean?
Yesterday, I was texting a new friend from Canada. We were chatting. It was nice. Then, suddenly, she stopped replying.
Did you say something bad?
I don't know. I just wrote, "What?" Then, "Send me the picture." Then, "K."
Oh,
Oh. What does "oh" mean?
I think I see the problem.
You see it? Because I don't. I didn't use bad words.
Yes, but some English phrases can sound rude, even when you don't want to be rude.
So my messages sounded rude to her?
Maybe. To a native speaker, they can feel a little cold or strong.
Great. My English is breaking my friendships now.
Don't worry, we can fix this.
Please, before I lose more people.
And you listening, this lesson is also for you. Today, we are talking about 10 English mistakes that make you sound rude. Stop saying these.
That sounds scary and important.
It is. These mistakes are very common. Many English learners make them every day.
Maybe you listening make them too, and you don't know it.
But after this lesson, you will sound more polite, more natural, and more friendly in English.
Okay, I'm ready. Save my social life.
Before we start, a small, polite request.
Yes, a very polite one.
Could you please click the like button?
And could you please subscribe to English with Ease?
It really helps us.
And it helps you. You don't miss new lessons.
Thank you so much. Now let's begin. First, some key words. Rude. Rude means not polite, not kind.
Like saying, "You're stupid."
Exactly. Polite is the opposite. Polite means you are careful and respectful.
Like, "Could you help me, please?"
Yes, tone is another important word. Tone means how your voice sounds. Your words can be okay, but your tone can sound rude.
And native speaker means someone who grew up with the language.
Yes, many of our examples today are about how native English speakers feel.
Okay, I want to sound polite to them too.
Mistake number 1, saying what when you don't hear.
I say that all the time.
In some languages, what is fine. But in English, just what can sound a little rude.
Really?
Yes, it can sound like you are angry or impatient.
So what should I say?
You can say, sorry? Pardon? Could you say that again, please?
Sorry is easy.
Yes, listen to the difference. What? Sorry?
Yes, sorry feels softer.
So try to use sorry instead of what. Mistake number 2, always using give me.
Ah, the famous problem.
Yes. Give me water. Give me your phone. Give me the pen. It sounds like a command, like you are the boss.
But I am not the boss. I am just thirsty.
Better is, can I have some water, please? Could you pass me the pen, please? Can I see your phone for a second, please?
So, give me your phone becomes, can I see your phone for a second, please?
Sarah. Much nicer. Mistake number 3, always using I want.
Oh, I use I want for everything.
I want coffee. I want this. I want that. It can sound a little like a child.
Ouch.
In English, polite adults often use I would like or I'd like. For example, I'd like a coffee, please. I'd like to ask a question. I'd like to book an appointment.
So, I want a coffee. I'd like a coffee, please.
Yes, same idea, but more polite. Mistake number 4, only saying yes or no.
You mean like this? Can you help me? No.
Yes. That sounds very cold.
But it is honest.
Honest, yes, but also a bit rude. Try to add a few words. No, sorry, I'm busy right now. No, I can't today, maybe tomorrow? Yes, sure. Yes, of course.
So, don't be a yes-no robot.
Exactly. Mistake number 5, saying you are wrong.
I think I said this to my friend once.
Sometimes it's okay with close friends, but usually, you are wrong is very strong.
Like I am attacking them.
Yes, better is, I don't think so. I'm not sure about that. Maybe, but I see it differently.
So I can disagree, but softer.
Right. Same meaning, kinder words. Mistake number 6, using direct commands all the time.
Commands like open the window, move, sit here.
Yes, these sound like orders. At work or with people you don't know well, they feel rude.
So what can I say?
Use could you or can you plus please. Could you open the window, please? Can you move a little, please? Could you sit here, please?
Wow, that sounds much nicer.
And people are more happy to help you. Mistake number 7, texting with no hi and no thanks.
Oh, I'm guilty.
Many people send messages like this: send me the file. Call me. Come now.
That does feel a bit bossy.
Add a greeting and thanks. Hi, John, could you send me the file, please? Thanks. Hi, can you call me when you're free, please?
So 3 magic parts. Hi, please, thanks.
Yes, very simple, very powerful. Mistake number 8, replying with only K or OK.
I always write K.
In some cultures, it's normal, but in English, just K or OK can feel cold.
Like, I don't care.
Exactly. Add one more word. Okay, thanks. Okay, sounds good. Okay, see you then.
So instead of K, write okay, thanks.
Yes. Small change, big effect. Mistake number 9, joking with shut up.
But in movies, friends say, shut up, when they are surprised.
Yes, but it is still a strong phrase. Native speakers use it carefully. For learners, it is safer to avoid it.
So what can I say instead?
You can say, no way. You're kidding. Seriously? Are you serious?
I like, you're kidding.
Yes, that is friendly and fun. Mistake number 10, forgetting please and thank you.
The basics.
Yes, but they are so important in the US, UK, Canada, Europe. Can you send me the report? Can you send me the report, please? Here is your coffee. Thank you so much.
So in English, please and thank you are not extra.
Right, they are necessary, they show respect.
Sarah, can we do a quick role play?
Yes, let's do it.
I will say the rude version. You say the polite version.
Good idea.
First one. What?
Sorry, could you say that again, please?
Next. Give me your pen.
Could you pass me your pen, please?
Next. I want coffee.
I'd like a coffee, please.
Next. You're wrong.
I don't think so.
Next, text message. Send me the file.
Hi, could you send me the file, please? Thanks.
I can really hear the difference.
And native speakers can feel the difference. Let's practice some pronunciation now. Repeat after me, listeners. And you too, Alvin. Rude,
Rude,
polite,
polite,
tone,
tone,
native,
native,
command,
command,
compliment.
compliment.
Now I want to give you 4 simple tips. Tip 1, slow down. When you speak too fast, your tone can sound angry. Take a small breath. Speak a little slower.
Slow and calm.
Serious. Tip 2, add one soft word. Words like sorry, please, maybe, a bit. Wait. Wait a second, please. You're wrong. I'm not sure about that.
One soft word changes everything.
Exactly. Tip 3, listen to native speakers. Watch series, movies, YouTube. Listen how they say no. Listen how they ask for help.
And copy their style.
Yes, copy their polite style. Tip 4, change one habit at a time. For example, this week, no more what, only sorry. Next week, no more I want, only I'd like.
Small steps, big progress.
Exactly. S. Okay, quick review. Some habits that can sound rude. What? Give me? I want. Only yes or no. You are wrong. Strong commands. Texts with no hi or thanks. Only K or OK, joking with shut up. Forgetting please and thank you.
And the polite versions, sorry? Can I have please? I'd like, no, sorry, I'm busy right now. I don't think so. Could you please? Hi, could you please? Thanks. Okay, thanks. You're kidding. please, and thank you all the time.
Wonderful. You remembered so much. Now we want to hear from you.
Yes, your turn to practice.
In the comments, write one rude sentence, and then write the polite version. For example, give me your book. Sarah, could I borrow your book, please?
Or, I want help. I'd like some help, please.
Use a real sentence from your life if you can.
We read your comments.
We really do, and we are very proud of you. If this lesson helped you, please subscribe to English with Ease.
Click the like button and share this video with a friend.
Maybe a friend who sometimes sounds a little rude in English, but does not want to.
You can help them sound more polite.
In our next video, we will talk about polite English for arguing and disagreeing.
Oh, that will be fun and very useful.
We will show you how to say no and I disagree without starting a fight.
I really need that one.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
You're doing a great job with your English.
Remember, small changes make a big difference. One sorry, one please, one thank you. They can change how people feel about you.
We believe in you.
SATAKECARE KEEPPRACTICING.
And see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye for now.